Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when you're typing. First thing you want to launch is the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower left corner where you see the magnifying glass. You want to click on the magnifying glass and then you want to head to the top where is the actual search bar. You want to click on the search bar and here you will have the most recent search queries that you did, okay? The first thing you want to do, you want to click on the X sign next to each search query, okay? Then you're gone. Very simple, very easy. To double check that this will not simply be saved, you want to type again what you're looking for prior, okay? As you can see, we didn't have the Apple account as the first recommended on the top. This means that they didn't save our search query because otherwise we're not gonna see Apple Watch, Apple Watch Bands, Apple Pie, so on and so forth. This simply indicates that our search queries are not saved. And again, to make sure, every time when you type something that is not what you're looking for, right, you still want to click the X sign even on the search bar. Because this is something very, very interesting. You see the suggestions over here? Crazy suggestions, stuff that I haven't searched for, and I don't know why and how they actually come up with. The account over here is actually sport oriented, so this is how you can go about and delete each and every search suggestions. There is another way you can actually go ahead on your Facebook account and delete your search history, but I am going to show you this in a separate video. There are much more steps that have to be done considerable on this site. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.